Hello and welcome to Surfside Beach and the new Surfside Beach Pier. It's been a few months since we've checked in and I've shared the construction status of the pier. So here we are in July 2022 and let's see what kind of progress they've made. As you probably already know, Hurricane Matthew back in 2016 completely destroyed the existing Surfside Pier. So back in 2016, everyone was upset. And they decided, hey, let's build a new pier. So it's taken a couple years and a lot of money, but we got a new pier coming in. Panning toward the south, that is Pawleys Island, way down there in the distance. Myrtle's Inlet, Pawleys Island, all down there. So we've been told as this project came to be, that it would be ready by 2023. As of right now, we're told that it could potentially be ready in October of this year. I personally doubt it, looking at the condition of the pier. After following the spring-made pier's construction and how long that took, and following it, if you look back at the videos, tons of videos on the spring-made pier construction as well. To me, it looks like they're a ways off, but maybe they'll have some of these buildings open, maybe a restaurant, maybe a gift shop, something that the public can access and utilize prior to the official opening of the full walking and fishing pier. I find it interesting that there are 3 separate buildings located on top of the pier. Definitely going to be a restaurant, definitely a bait and tackle shop. I'm not sure what the third one is. If anyone out there knows the official shops, stores, whatever that are going into this pier, let me know. Comment down below. I'm curious. The front entrance looks like is a large set of stairs that goes right into the parking lot. I'm sure they're going to landscape and clean up that walkway there to make a nice grand entrance. This hotel here is the Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel. Have a full video tour walkthrough. We stayed there just a few months ago. If you're curious about this hotel, I figured you may be since you're watching a video about the pier. Go check that one out. Plenty of good information. Also, one of the only multi-story hotels in Surfside Beach that is oceanfront. As you can see as we look down the coast. That is a north-facing view there that's looking toward the city of Myrtle Beach. From this angle, you can see the ADA access ramp on the side of the building. This also gives you a good look at the construction pier, that ramp, that road that goes up to meet the concrete pier, which is on the left. So the one that's on the right is just temporary. It's just for equipment to get the new pier installed. Once the concrete pier on the left is complete, the one on the right goes away. The exact same process we saw at the spring-made pier. As we pan back over here, notice to the right of the pier there's what appears to be a creek. It's a stormwater outfall that comes out from the road just on the other side of those buildings. Please don't play in that and don't wade in it. That's not clean water. I highly recommend not using that water to do beach activities in. I also recommend not to sit around it or swim in its general area. So this is July 2022. The last time we got a good look at the pier was back in March, and this is what it looked like. There was no concrete in or over the water at this point. The 3 buildings on top of the entry to the pier were yet to be built. Since we're already in the sky and we have a very nice view, let's pan over and just see the extent of Surfside Beach. And there you have it. There is the July 2022 update on the construction status of the Surfside Pier. We'll be back to check it out in a few months, and maybe they'll be closer to completion. But until then, everybody, take it easy.